Did you ever try holding in a sneeze during class, a meeting, or right after eating soup? Yeah, your body remembers that betrayal. When you block a sneeze, all that pressure, about 150 kilometers per hour fair, has to go somewhere. So it looks for the nearest exit. Your ears, eyes, or even your throat. But hey, what's the worst that could happen, right? Well, people have literally ruptured eardrums, popped blood vessels, and torn their throat just trying to be polite. Next time, let it out. Your nose is built for demolition. Hit subscribe before your next sneeze. Bless you in advance.